Hey everyone. So today we're going to see how we can create a registered user onto Dynatrace. We're talking about SSO today. So I'm going to go to sso.dynatrace. Click on this link, sso.dynatrace.com. Now here we need to create a new user, so I'm going to click on Try Dynatrace. Then click on Free Trial. And then on the left hand side, you'll find an option to provide an email address. Now for this, I'm going to use a personal email just to show you how it's done. So we're just trying to create a trial account so that we can see some of these functionalities on Dynatrace before going with the paid. So, okay, so next is it's going to ask me to create a password of my choice. I'm going to provide that. Click on continue. Now then provide with my account details. So it's really a straightforward option. So I'm just showing you how it's done for once. You can pretty much do it. It's self-explanatory. I'm going to provide any XYZ company name for now. So now here it will ask me to select a reason. So this is how Dynatrace actually particularly allocates data centers to you, for optimum performance. So whichever reason is, suitable for you, you can select that reason and Dynatrace will allocate their data centers across that particular region. So these are pretty much available all across the globe. And that's how Dynatrace provides an optimum performance to you. Okay, so I'm going to click AP South East Sydney for it because that is the nearest to me. And clicking on the checkbox and clicking on Submit. Okay, so we're almost done. It's going to take some minutes to process and create a sign up for us. What it actually does is it will create a tenant ID for me and a tenant account, which will be particularly for my email address. So let's just wait for a couple of minutes before it actually is done. So at the end of it, it will show a tenant URL. You can either click on it or it will automatically redirect you to that particular URL. Okay, so it's done. So I'm logged into Dynatrace now as a trial version. Usually these are 16 days trial versions which Dynatrace does provide to the users. There you go. This is the home page. On the left hand side, you can see all of those functionalities. We'll talk about those functionalities later in some other videos. But this is a tenant ID, which is specially allocated just for me and for my email address. You can copy this email address. You can copy this URL to you on your notepad, and future references you can either just provide this URL and go to this particular address, or you can use that sso.dynatrace.com and log in with your email address. Once you log in with your email address, it will take you directly to here. Okay, so you can see all of those functionalities I can see right now are available. I don't see any which are not available. Okay, so yep. So I think I'm going to cover all these things in some other video. This video was just about to show you how we can create an account. It really is not that difficult, but just a straightforward process. But I'm just seeing on the left every little feature is available. These are settings. You can go in and change pretty much everything. I'm going to discuss all of these in details. But I'm just starting off with this Dynatrace series. Guys, let me know whatever you want me to cover in the comments. I'm working on creating a course on Dynatrace as well, but that's going to take some time. So people were asking me to give the links to the course, but I don't have the course ready yet. So I'm going to create these short videos for you to go to these straightforward the videos and get your topics covered. So let me know in the comments whatever topics you want me to cover. On the right, you can see, if you click on this particular tab, you'll see that 16 days trial is what is left with me, and there are certain licenses. When I say licenses, it's really not the paid license, but yep, these are with the trial version. They are provided with some credits which I can use, and I can monitor certain components and see how Dynatrace is working, which is great. And if I want to buy any further credits, I can at any point buy using this option, and it will let me connect to their PS team. But yep, that's all it is in this video, guys. Thank you so much.